Hello friends, welcome to Joy of Life. So what a news, Windows 11 is out and not really out, so they have just officially announced it and it's going to roll out soon. So Windows 11, what it looks from the screenshot or the images shared on the official website, it's going to have some fresh looks over here. You can see that they have revamped the start menu and there are many other things that they have done. Right, a full new perspective on the Windows, from the way we chat, the way we connect, your content, everything they have revamped over here. It looks quite fresh. Even for gaming also, they have a lot of things added to the site, right, where you can really see a very high quality graphics and things like that, right? But unfortunately this might not be for all, right? They have some requirement over here, new requirement that we need to check, right? They have given us a compatibility check over here, so we need to see if our system is compatible with Windows 11 or not. If so, we can get a free upgrade, as you can see over here. So that's pretty interesting. The minimum requirement seems okay, so 1 gigahertz or faster with 2 or more cores on compatible 64-bit processor, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB storage, and this is the most important part, TPM. I'm not sure if my system is compatible with this or not, but my system is nearly 2 years old and I think I should be good over here. Graphics card, I already have a graphics card. Resolution and all is fine, internet connection is fine. And if you want to buy a new system for your Windows 11 compatible PCs, you can check out these links over here. And the whole bunch of details has been shared over here. So we are going to explore it both from the developer's perspective and from a gamer's perspective as well, like what's the in for us. So what we are going to do next is install this utility and we are going to see if we are compatible with Windows 11 or not. And in case if we get some errors, we are going to see how to deal with them. You might get different errors than me, then please do let me know what are the errors that you are getting, and I would try my best to see if I could provide you some assistance on that. So let's go ahead and try Windows 11 compatibility. So let's go ahead and install the utility and let's see how it helps, right? So it's Windows PC health check and all that you can see over here. So here is your PC health at a glance, and let's see. So I am already logged in, so backing up and all that is fine. This is my system with 16 GB RAM with 250 GB SSD, almost 2 years old, and all those things we have already signed in and everything is fine. And Windows update last checked on such and such date, everything looks fine over here. And so what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and check now. Over here you can see that introducing Windows 11. So let's check if the PC meets the system requirement. If it does, you can get a free upgrade when it's available. So let's go ahead and check it. So it says this PC can't run Windows 11. How unfortunate. So TPM 2.0 is a requirement for running Windows 11. We recommend that you check if TPM 2.0 is enabled. No clue what TPM 2.0 is. So let's go ahead and explore it and let's try to fix it so that we can get an upgrade. So back to the site and let's see what TPM 2.0 is. Okay, there are a bunch of sites that I am getting over here. Microsoft now says Windows 11 TPM requirement and all those things. So what is TPM? Trusted Platform Module. Okay, got it. So what is my TPM version? First I need to find out that. So let's go ahead and check it out. How to check if your PC has a trusted platform module. So let's see, Windows Central has something for us over here. So if you plan to upgrade to Windows 10 to 11 when it's released, blah blah blah, we have a lot of text over here. So let's get to the point. Platform module is a security chip embedded in modern system that provides a hardware-based tamper-resistant environment to generate, store, and protect encryption keys on Windows 10. You would typically need this module to use features like BitLocker to encrypt and decrypt the hard drive, but it's not a requirement to install the operating system. However, this is changing with Windows 11. Okay, got some idea. So let's go ahead and check this is settings over here. So settings, then system, and about. Okay, we have a bunch of stuff over here and we can see the BitLocker settings over here. So C drive BitLocker is off, turn on BitLocker. Is that what they are recommending? Is that what they are saying? My PC is not that old, so under security devices you can see trusted platform and all. We are going to see that. So before that, let me turn on this BitLocker thing. Okay, this device can use a trusted platform module. Your administrator must set allow BitLocker without a compatible TPM option in the require response authentication at startup policy for OS volumes. My God, it's telling what not. Fair enough. We have some windows over here. So there is a TPM administration. Let's go ahead and check the compatible TPM cannot be found. Compatible trusted platform module cannot be found on this computer. Verify that computer has 1.2 TPM or later and it has turned on in the BIOS. Okay, so over to the BIOS settings. So let's check out what we have in the BIOS. So let's go to the BIOS and check the setting, but I cannot get this recorded directly from this tool, so I have to record it with my mobile or some other recording device. Okay, so see you with the restart. Here I have restarted the PC. I'm extremely sorry if I am shaky in this part of the video because I'm doing it using my mobile without a tripod, so it might be a little shaky. I'll try not to shake as much as possible. So let's go ahead and restart, and we need to get into the BIOS prompt once it comes up. So I can do a del to get inside my BIOS. So you might have a different setting altogether over here. So I am inside my BIOS. So let's see what are the options I have over here. So once you are inside this BIOS over here, you will find a lot of options like MIT system, BIOS, peripherals. So what we need is you need to go to this peripherals, and you can see an option called FTPM, right? AMD CPU FTPM, and which is unfortunately disabled for me. So we are going to go ahead and enable this guy. So you just need to select it and then choose enable or disable, whatever you want. So I am enabling it and you can see it's enabled now. Okay, so that's all. That's the only change that I'm going to do over here, and I'm going to do a save and exit setup. Yep, so let it restart, and once restarted, we are going to see if our scan shows something else this time. So this is only for the gigabit motherboard. I'm not sure about the others, but you will most likely see a very similar option as you saw in mine. So most of the latest motherboards or the BIOS might have this option. So please go ahead and check it in your BIOS. Just play around and look for something called TPM, and if you see a TPM and if you see it in disabled mode, just go ahead and enable it, right? That would probably help. So let's go ahead and see if it helps for us as well or not. Okay, so we are back into the app again. So everything is fine. We are signed in and things like that. So let's go ahead and check if it is giving any error or we are good with that. Okay. Oh, it's nice. With that being enabled, this PC can run Windows 11. Great news. This PC meets all the system requirement for Windows 11 and it's free. We'll let you know when it's ready. That's cool. So you can do learn more and all, and no need for that. So anyways, I hope you got the idea on how to enable TPM. So go ahead and check on your BIOS settings that if you have anything with the TPM that's in a disabled state, please go ahead and enable it and then try with this tool again, and I'm sure you'll get a message saying that this PC can run Windows. Do let me know if you are struggling with any part of it, setting it up or not getting the right thing. Just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to do my part of the R&D to see if I can help you out. And also I was seeing on Amazon that there are some motherboards not very expensive. It's 5,500 range, wherein it was with the TPM headers and all. If you if you're thinking about an upgrade, you can check out. So most of the recent chipset is going to support it. I just was checking with the TPM 2.0 and I found a bunch of links and laptops and boards wherein they are compatible with TPM 2.0, so please do check them as well. I'll leave all this link in the description section below so that you can refer to the same. And yeah, that's all from this video. I'll wait for this update to roll out, and I'll also try to capture what are the features and the things like that from a developer's perspective. What are the things we have gained? So I'm mostly into development and gaming, so I will try to cover it from both the perspectives, because here are some interesting things that I saw on the link given by Windows 11, that they have made some great graphics enhancement with Windows 11, and I'm really keen to find out what are they and how the changes is going to be when we play games and things like that, right? So over here I could see that for the gaming or like play anytime, they have really enhanced the graphics and things like that. So we are going to find it out in a lot more details, and we are going to see that how it's going to change our experience. Okay, we'll wait till then. See you guys. Bye bye and take care.